Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. In this video, we are going to take all of my different planners and put together a FRANKENPLANNER for the second half of the year. All right, so I think I found the solution to my little planner problem of having too many planners. I've been using the Socialite planner as my main planner this year. I've marked off a month in each of all these different planners that I'm going to try out, 1 month in each planner, until the end of the year. And since they're 18-month planners, that means I still have the whole entire year of 2020 to use whichever one I decide is my favorite for the whole year of 2020, or if I want to keep combining them. We'll see, because a lot of these layouts I have never tried, so it's going to be something new for me and a good way to be able to show some different styles of layouts. I'm going to switch the rest of Socialite. The colors are beautiful. I love this planner. It's going to now be my social media planner, so that I'll be using for the planner channel, but I'm going to switch it out. These colors are just so pretty, and I think will work good for like 4th of July spread as a good background for that. I was going to put the Rongrong July in here because I wanted to use it, but I figured out how to do, I can use the Rongrong stickers in June. So now we have July from the floral. Next is August. August is from this colorful dashboard planner, and this is a new layout for me. So is the hourly. So here's August. It's the dashboard planner with a dashboard layout. So you have like your whole week at a glance here, and then like a dashboard here of all your things to do. So this will be a fun new layout, and I liked these colors that are kind of like good summer colors for my August. So we'll take out this month for August to place in here. Next, September is, yay, Rongrong September. Because I love this print. This lavender animal print is so cute, and the whole month is lavender animal print. So yes, that's for me, and it's going in my planner. So that's September. Next is October. I think I chose the Geo Dreams again for October because like it's neutral, and that'll work really well for kind of October Halloween and fall colors, because they kind of clash with the pink and summer and lavender stuff that I have in like almost every planner. So this will be really good for October. Okay, next, November, and this is what I decided to do with the Empowered Woman Planner. It has been my workout planner and wellness planner for the whole year, and it will stay my wellness planner all the way through June, and then I'm going to switch to, I think, the unicorn planner, the Wonder Seeker planner, because it's so cute, and it has the same kind of color theme throughout, and I get bored with things. I like different colors all the time, so but it's fine for my wellness planner and my workout planner because the stickers have lots of different colors And this one, I don't like have any rules. I don't care what it looks like. It's really for me to track my wellness and track my workouts. But I just love the unicorns. So I'm going to switch to that one for my wellness planner. And then I'll pick a month. Are we on November? So I've chosen November out of this planner to use in my daily planner. So let's get November. And this is the vertical lined layout, which I have also not used for my daily planner. And this month of November is like a peach color. So I thought that would be good background for like fall colors and pumpkins and a November spread. So I think that'll work really well for that. Next, December. I'm going back to the Rongrong planner because I love all those holiday stickers. There's a whole bunch of cute holiday stickers. And this December, super cute. So I'll show you in a second. December has these cute little girls and some holiday decorations. Let me switch this back. Our little, come on, right there. Our little Christmas tree and our little girls. And it has like a light blue background, which I think will be fine for adding in all these red and green stickers because I totally decorate for December. And I'll probably do the same thing I did last year, which I had so much fun doing. I did an entire week of a pink Christmas theme. I did an entire week of a green. I did a red, and then I did a blue theme. So I'll do probably the same thing again this year. But maybe it'll be like gold, silver, red, and green. We'll see. So that's my theory. Let's flip back through to see how this is going to work out. So July is the hourly floral planner. These colors are super pretty though. I think will be really good for a 4th of July theme. August is the dashboard layout. Also pretty colors, totally new for me. I have no idea how that's gonna go. September is from the Rongrong planner. And it has that super cute animal print that I like. October is back to the Geo Dreams planner because it's neutral and I think will be really good for Halloween, a Halloween spread. November is the Empowered Woman planner and it has a peach background, which I think will be really good for fall colors, and a Thanksgiving spread, which I love to do those. Then on to December from the Rongrong planner with all holiday theme stickers. So that way I get to try out all my planners, all the new spreads that I haven't tried, and then make a decision for 2020 because I still have the full year of every one of those except Geo Dreams. Geo Dreams ends December this year, but that's okay because I'm sure there will be more new beautiful planners for 2020. I'm hoping there will be a new Glam Girl. That is my favorite layout. So I'll definitely be using a Glam Girl no matter what. Anything of this, if a Glam Girl comes out with that same layout of lined vertical with the boxes. But I'm super excited about trying this FRANKENPLANNER and a survey of planner layouts this fall with you know, some different things to try out and to share. So let me know what you think about that in the comments.
Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. See you in the next video.